Welcome back to another video of ADAS calibration services. Today we have in the shop this 2018 Subaru. We're going to do the blind spot monitor on the right side of this vehicle. As you can see, the reflector is in place. We have another Subaru next to it. It's not that we do Subarus on a regular basis. That one just doesn't start. We got to work on that vehicle later. But the one on the left, this white vehicle had that blind spot monitor replaced, and we're going to do the calibration. I'm going to try to share the details of the positioning for that reflector. So this video is going to be part of the calibration for this blind spot monitor. The way it's going to be set up, I'm going to show the pictures where you're going to mark those positions. There's one here and one on the driver's side of this vehicle. So the distances that you need on the driver's side, from the driver's side, come this way, it's 4,130 millimeters. And then this is on the passenger side, my bad. On the passenger side, it's gonna be 4,130 millimeters. And on the driver's side, it's gonna be 3,330 millimeters. So this is just gonna, these are the distances. We're going to proceed with the calibration. The reflector, it's in position right now. We're going to command the calibration from here. And we're going to go into the scanner. While Alex is doing that, I'm going to remind you that if you need any calibrations for ADAS services, any ADAS system that you need calibrated, and you are in the Bay Area in California, in the San Francisco area, in the peninsula, you can call us at 650-789-0038. We'll be happy to assist you with any ADAS problems that you might have. All right, vamos a empezar la calibración de este vehículo. Es un 2018 Subaru Impreza. El cono ya está puesto ahí. En un momento vamos a compartir las instrucciones de cómo posicionar ese reflector, cómo se sacan las medidas, okay? So vamos a empezar con la calibración. That's one of the measurements that we're gonna get. Can you zoom into that? So that is something that you're gonna, that position, that spot, you're gonna find it under your vehicle, okay? And you're gonna set up a plumb line or any way that you can mark that position on the floor. These instructions are if you're going to be calibrating the passenger side, okay? So the first one is going to be in the front on the passenger side. Second measurement, what is it? That's going to be on your driver's side. We're going to zoom in into that picture, and that's the spot that you want to find, and you want to mark that position on the floor. Once you mark those 2 points on the floor, then you're gonna lay down 2 strings or 2 rulers or 2 measuring tapes or whatever you have to, and whatever you can do to make it work. What you need to do is take 2 measurements, one from point A to point Z, and the other one from point B to point Z. So aquí, para que sepan, las medidas que vimos hace ratito allí en la pantalla es las que tienen que sacar para encontrar esos puntos, ¿verdad? Esas marcas que tienen allí en el carro las tienen que marcar en el piso y de ahí sacar medidas. La que está en el lado del pasajero va a ser punto A y la que está al lado del chofer va a ser punto B. So distances between point A and point Z, you're gonna have, what is it, A and Z, 4,130 millimeters or 162.6 inches, okay? And then from point B to point Z, it's gonna be 3,330 millimeters or 131.1 inches. La distancia que ocupamos del punto A a la Z son 4,130 milímetros o 162.6 pulgadas si están ocupando el sistema imperial. Y del punto B al punto C, al punta Z, tenemos una distancia de 3,330 milímetros o 131.1 pulgadas. Okay, if it's properly positioned, you should have approximately 1.5 meters between the radar and the reflector, or that's equal to, it's 1.5 meters or 59.06 inches. La distancia que van a obtener si está bien posicionado es aproximadamente de 1,5 metros exactos o 59.06 pulgadas. Eso sí está bien posicionado, okay? So we acquired those dimensions already. We set the reflector and we're gonna command the calibration from here. So that's been done. The distance from the ground up, it's gonna be, what is it? 650 millimeters or 25.59 plus minus 0.39 inches. And okay, and if you're doing, wait, if you're doing metric, it's gonna be from 640 to 660 millimeters. And if you're doing imperial, it's going to be 29.59 plus minus 30.39, okay? So that's the specification. Si están midiendo sistema métrico, esta altura tiene que ser de 640 a 660 milímetros. O si están usando el sistema imperial, es de 25.59 con un espacio, con una tolerancia de 0.39 pulgadas arriba o abajo, okay? So let's continue with the calibration. Ignition is on. Click OK. So tenemos abierto el switch. Vamos a comandar la calibración. And axis adjustment result. Angle gap. Not the ideal, but within specs. Okay. So we have minus 4.3 degrees of angle deviation on this vehicle. Could it be corrected? Yes. We're just doing the calibration, and if it's within specs, it's just going to pass, okay? So este ángulo está en negativo 4.3, que está dentro de la especificación. Así es de que simplemente vamos a terminar la calibración aquí. A lo mejor podría ser corregido, pero si está dentro de la especificación, pues pasa. Click OK. And go turn the ignition off. Next time you won't want to take the scanner with you. So, okay. And let's do a fault scan. Vamos a chequear aquí por fallas. All right, we have no codes, so that means the system is properly calibrated. We're gonna get on the road. Well, Alex is gonna get on the road and make sure that the system performs properly. These are the instructions that you gotta follow to set this up. If you're gonna be doing the one on the left, you're gonna find the front position on the driver's side and the rear position on the passenger side. And then distances are going to be from A to C in this case, or on the scanner we had A to Z and then B to Z. So if you're doing the driver's side, it's the front left, rear right. If you're doing the passenger side, it's the opposite, okay? You're going to be doing the front right and the rear left. And then the distances got to be the same. And it should look just like this, okay? If you're doing this on the passenger side, it should be just the opposite. The dimensions, 4,310, 3,435. We went with this specification. What is this for? Okay, for the 4-door, we have this dimensions. If you have a 5-door model, these are the dimensions right here. Okay, it didn't ask us to do this because the scanner pulls the right one with the VIN. But if you have any variants on these two vehicles, these are the instructions. Okay, so we're just gonna go back and we're gonna pause on each one so you can pause if you need to read that. Just pause the video in case you need to read any of these instructions. You set your reflector and then you command the calibration with the scanner. Okay, if it doesn't pass or if it's out of specification, correct whatever needs to be corrected and try again. Hopefully you found this video interesting or informative. Share it with your friends if you think they're gonna get any benefit out of it. And like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.